guys, just working on a little project I thought I'd show you here. This is just one of the simple little lights from Harbor Freight, taken apart. And what I'm going to do is wire this plunger switch up onto it so that I'm going to put this on the trunk of my Goldwing, so when I open the trunk this light will come on, and hopefully it will all work fine and be able to be installed, and I'll show you what I mean when I'm done. But first off, what I'm going to do first is solder this wire onto here and then solder another wire in between here so that when you open the trunk this light will come on. I'll show you what I mean here in just a second. Alright, so here's how I soldered it up. I just soldered one lead here, one lead up onto the board, and so now when I let go of the switch, the light comes on. So when the trunk's closed, it's off. Open, it's on. Alright, see, I'd rather do that, and if something happens and my trunk light stays on, it's not draining my battery of the bike, so it will start. But it'll just kill these AAA batteries that are in this little light, so no big deal. So I'm going to put it back together. Alright, so here it is back together. As you can see, here's the plunger switch. Let off of it, light comes on. And then if I want to turn it off all the way, I can still turn it off at this switch or turn the other light on. But that way I'll get some light in my trunk, because I park in a parking garage. It's pretty dark, so it'd be nice to have a light on as soon as you open the trunk. So, you know, to help at night or anything like that. Very simple. Here's where I ran the wires through, and we'll get this installed on the bike and I'll show you what it looks like then. Alright, just thought I'd show you a little video of the finished product. I rode the bike to work today, and so like I said, parked in this parking garage where it's pretty dark. You can see what you normally can see in the trunk, which is nothing. But I put the little light on, works great. All it did was took a screw out that was right here, and just drilled it out a little bit, put the plunger switch in there, so it works great. So definitely makes it a lot nicer to be able to see what you're trying to get out of your trunk, or the little things like, you know, earplugs or something like that that may have fallen down in a little crack or something. So works good. So hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, have more videos to come.